I'm Martis Beloria. I'm 52 years old. I'm Filipino. I'm single mom. I have one children. I'm working in Singapore almost 7 years, and I can do cooking, cleaning, ironing, laundry, and marketing, and take care of the baby, kids, and elderly and pets. And also, I'm working in Hong Kong almost 2 years. I take care the children, and also I'm cooking, cleaning, and ironing. And also, I'm working in Macau almost 10 years. I do cooking and cleaning. That's it. Thank you.